If you are using My Allocator to receive reservations from third-party channels, it is possible to set up a number of custom items relating to the channel the reservation was received from. Click the Settings tab, External Connections, and then click Edit to get into this page for the Channel Manager settings. These areas on top will affect reservations from all channels, and then there's areas on the bottom which can be set channel specific. Basically, channel specific settings will overwrite any overarching My Allocator settings, and if nothing is set in this section, then whatever's set elsewhere in the system will be used. Also, be sure to look at all of the help items if you have any questions about any of these sections by mousing over the question mark. So just quickly to go through some of these. You can have a different status set up for new reservations that come in through My Allocator. You can set the category for any imported deposits, that is, deposits that are sent over from My Allocator. You can create a custom field in which you can then have the channel name be entered into automatically, such as Airbnb or Booking.com. First, create a custom field in the Website tab, and then come back here to select that custom field. Make sure you add it as a text field. You can create a text field to receive the payment type or commission information that we might be receiving from the channel. You can also have a custom field for the reservation ID that comes over from the channel, such as Airbnb's reservation ID. You can decide whether or not to have reservation key calculate the taxes or bring taxes from the channel if available. Then finally, if you want to override any of those settings, we have these three options here. You can have a status per channel. So if you had an Airbnb status, any new reservation that came in as Airbnb, you could set that, and then the color for Airbnb would show up. Of course, set up that status first, and then come in here and select it. Same with email schedules. If you need a different email schedule to go out just for Airbnb, be sure to set up a schedule first, and then come here and select it. If you need a different payment page, such as a payment page just where you send Airbnb people to make their final payment, or any payment, you could set up a different reservation page and then select it here. And so then any link that is included in an email for making a payment would use the page that is selected here. Of course, if you need information about how to set these up, you can mouse over or look at the other areas of the system. Status is under the Settings tab, Email Schedule is under the Website tab, and Payment Page is also under the Website tab.